Are you ready to dive into the world of the most amazing metalworking process? We guarantee you that this video will give you pure satisfaction, so sit back and brace yourself for an extraordinary experience. The robust world of anchor chain production is designed to secure marine vessels with unmatched reliability. Utilizing rolled steel bars, these chains are crafted on advanced automatic machines that ensure each link is flash butt welded for superior strength. After welding, every chain undergoes rigorous heat treatment and proof load testing, ensuring each piece can withstand the harsh marine environment. Available in a variety of sizes from 12.5 millimeters to 152 millimeters and finishes like black bitumen or galvanized coating, these chains are tailored to meet specific maritime needs. Each chain is meticulously marked for traceability, making them a trusted choice for ship anchoring and permanent mooring systems worldwide. Wüsthof knives are renowned for their precision and quality, forged from X50 Kermo V15 stainless steel. This alloy includes 0.5% carbon for sharpness, chromium for stain resistance, molybdenum for enhanced durability, and vanadium for edge retention. Each knife goes through about 40 manufacturing steps, including forging or laser cut stamping, to ensure optimal strength and long-lasting sharpness. The handles are contoured for perfect control, and the blades are polished by hand. Using their proprietary precision edge technology, Wüsthof sharpens blades to achieve 20% greater sharpness with twice the edge retention, resulting in knives with a Rockwell hardness of 58 HRC. Made in Solingen, Germany, Wüsthof has upheld its tradition of excellence since 1814. The power of Tandem CNC press brakes, essential tools in manufacturing streetlight poles. These robust machines, offered by leading manufacturers like Guangdong GSI and Harsle CNC, boast a capacity of up to 200 tons and 4,000 millimeters in length, accommodating steel sheets up to 8 millimeter thick. Designed for precision and efficiency, they feature a 6+1 axis automatic folding system and high-speed operation, ideal for shaping octagonal, conical, and polygonal pole profiles. With prices ranging from $15,000 to $65,000, these tandem press brakes enhance productivity and ensure high-quality outcomes in streetlight pole production. The WARDJet X-Series Waterjet is a state-of-the-art cutting system that revolutionizes precision material cutting. With a traverse speed of 900 inches per minute and a robust table measuring 5 feet by 10 feet, it effortlessly handles dimensions of 60 by 120 by 12 inches. Equipped with an advanced drive system, this Waterjet excels in delivering high-speed operation while maintaining the precision needed for diverse cutting tasks. Whether it's metals, composites, or any other material, the WARDJet X-Series promises exceptional accuracy and efficiency, making it a vital asset for industries requiring detailed and fast-cutting performance. The MultiBrax 650RV, particularly the MB650RV XL model, is a sophisticated attachment designed to enhance your grinding projects. This tool features a telescopic arm, allowing the use of various belt lengths to suit different tasks, from grinding to polishing round bars and tubes. Equipped with a swivel arm and interchangeable guide rollers, it ensures precision and control by adjusting the contact pressure according to your needs. Weighing just over a kilogram, this compact yet powerful grinder attachment is perfect for achieving a flawless finish on any surface. With its compatibility with common angle grinders and dust-protected ball bearings, the MultiBrax 650RV is your go-to for durable, precise, and versatile grinding operations. Meet the Trumpf TruPunch 5000, a powerhouse in the realm of precision punching. Designed to handle both medium and large format sheets, with capacities of 2,500 millimeters by 1,250 millimeters and 3,050 millimeters by 1,550 millimeters respectively, it brings unparalleled efficiency to metal fabrication. This machine can effortlessly process materials up to 8 millimeter thick, delivering up to 1,350 punches per minute with a maximum force of 220 kilonewtons. Its innovative features include a monotool punching head for quick tool changes, multi-tools for integrating multiple punches, and an active die system to prevent scratches, ensuring top-notch quality in every job. With its high axis speed and advanced tool management system, the TruPunch 5000 is designed to boost productivity and enhance material utilization. The Harsle shovel production line is equipped with advanced machinery to ensure precision and efficiency in manufacturing. Central to this line is the Y32 hydraulic press, featuring a robust 3-beam, 4-column structure optimized for performance. It boasts a centralized button control system, adjustable operating force, and customizable stroke and pressure settings to meet various production needs. With a nominal force of 1,600 kilonewtons, a slide stroke of 500 millimeter, and a working speed between 6 to 15 millimeters per second, this machine is designed for deep drawing, trimming, flanging, crimping, and hole punching. Its reliable hydraulic system and quick mold change capability make it ideal for producing high-quality shovel heads. The LS5 laser cutting machine by BLM Group is a high-performance tool designed for precision and flexibility. With a work area of up to 6,000 by 2,000 millimeters and a fiber laser power ranging from 3 to 12 kilowatt, it efficiently cuts various materials, including steel, stainless steel, copper, brass, and aluminum sheets. The machine features a simultaneous axis speed of 196 meters per minute and offers options for transverse or longitudinal sheet metal pallet changers. Its ergonomic design includes large front door openings and a swivel, movable operator console, ensuring easy access and optimal viewing of the cutting process. Equipped with IPG fiber laser sources, the LS5 guarantees high cutting speed and accuracy, making it an essential tool for diverse sheet metal cutting applications. Meet the Figur G15 by Desktop Metal, a revolutionary machine in sheet metal forming that uses digital sheet forming (DSF) technology. With an impressive forming area of 1,450 millimeters by 1,000 millimeters and a height of up to 400 millimeters, it handles steel up to 2 millimeter and aluminium up to 2.5 millimeters thick. This machine eliminates the need for traditional molds, speeding up production with a forming speed of over 1 meter per second. Its precision-controlled ceramic toolhead and integrated software ensure high-quality, detailed parts with ease. The Figur G15 is perfect for industries needing flexible, precise, and efficient metal part production on demand. The steel drums is made from carbon or stainless steel and are essential for industrial storage, with common sizes being 60,210 and 216 liters. These drums come in open head and tight head types. The production process begins with plastic forming to shape high-strength workpieces, followed by cutting for lids and bodies. Roll forming creates the drum body, which is then seam welded for durability. Afterwards, coating and painting enhance corrosion resistance and aesthetics. Finally, drums are YUN certified for holding hazardous materials, ensuring they meet strict safety standards. This meticulous process results in versatile, robust containers ideal for various industrial applications. The capabilities of the spiral duct making machine is a state-of-the-art solution for producing high-quality ductwork. This machine efficiently transforms galvanized and aluminum sheets into spiral ducts, accommodating a wide range of diameters from 80 to 1,500 millimeters and lengths up to 8,000 millimeters. Equipped with a powerful PLC control system, it ensures precise fabrication at speeds up to 38 meters per minute. The integration of a high-speed synchronous flying cutting system and easy-to-adjust molds enhances its versatility, making it indispensable for industries such as ventilation, HVAC, and more. Robust yet compact, this machine ensures seamless operation and perfect duct molding, boosting productivity and reliability on any project site. The Faccin 4AHL series is a 4-roll plate bending machine designed for precision and efficiency. Customizable roll lengths range from 1,500 to 18,000 millimeters, accommodating steel thicknesses of 5 to 150 millimeters. This machine bends plates 3 to 4 times faster than traditional pyramid rolls. Key features include a rear side roll for alignment and a linear guide configuration that keeps plates pinched between central rolls for safety and precision. With CNC controls and an electronic pyramid design, the 4HEL series excels in bending various plate lengths and thicknesses with high productivity and accuracy. making it perfect for demanding industrial applications. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of metalworking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more extraordinary content.